White Brahman bulls arrive at the facility, the start of the process. Guided calmly into holding pens. Rest before processing. Washed thoroughly, a clean start to the process. Hides separated first, the raw material for leather. Horns collected separately. Bound for the workshop. Meat processed on a separate line. Nothing from the animal goes to waste. 3 paths from one source. Hide, horn, and meat, each its own journey. At the tannery. Hides soaked and prepared. Tanned in massive drums. Hide becoming leather. Dyed in rich luxury tones, the color of a premium bag. Stretched and softened. Flexibility built into every hide. Measured to the centimeter. Every sheet accounted for. Grain and sheen, the finish that defines luxury leather. Cut to a designer pattern. The shape of a luxury handbag begins.
Lined in silk, the luxury detail hidden inside every bag.
Hand finished. The detail that separates luxury from ordinary. Gold hardware fitted, the finishing touch on every bag.
Finished and displayed. Luxury handbags ready for the runway.
At the workshop, horns corn. Horns washed and prepared. Softened in heat, ready for shaping. Split and pressed flat. The raw horn reduced to usable material. Cut precisely, horn, shaped into phone case panels. Bonded to the shell, natural horn pattern, unique on every case. Polished to a natural shine. Every case, one of a kind. Finished and unique, thousands of cases, no two alike. Every piece checked. Luxury standard on both lines. Packaged like the luxury goods they are. Ready for the world. From one animal, 3 paths. Leather, leather, horn, and craftsmanship made whole.